Oh. Oh no. Okay, that's good.
Hey man, somebody just broke my iPhone. Oh no.
Don't worry, Sam. All right.
Oh. Hey, Mr. Genius Bar employee.
There you go.
Wow.
We got you covered.
Thanks, man. Okay, well, as you can't see me, this is what Apple sends you to repair a screen. This is Apple's $49 kit. Oh, and this is the actual parts. Here's the thing. The screen was cracked already. We just thought it'd be fun for the video to crack a little bit more. But like, since we're replacing it, I'm like, I gotta have a little bit of fun, right? I've seen a lot of comments. People are saying, you made this up. This isn't real. But this is, okay? This is what you get when you order Apple's $49 rental toolkit, and what is inside is going to blow your mind because I was not prepared. So the cases are 35 and 40 pounds, respectively. Yeah, I'd say that's a little heavy for a case here. We're gonna go ahead and pop her open. A display heat removal device. Hooray! Look, this is an iMac cord, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so that's gonna basically melt the adhesive on the display.
Okay, that's a lot to send for one part of the repair, but sure, I'm down. Here's the big one, which is way heavier. And you've got more fun. I mean, I'm so tiny. What are we doing here, Luke? Okay, let's start with the small stuff this time. You've got the little tools, the little screwdrivers. We love some good screwies. And then you've got the miscellaneous. I'm trying to like be in frame, but also do the most right now. This is a display press, a battery press, and then we've got a little tray. Look at a little tray. All right, and the next video. They also will send you this, which is it's your actual box of iPhone parts. Their security screws are incredibly tiny. They've got some display adhesive here. Actually, let's take a look. This always looks like repair-y when I take it out. Like, this is a repair we're about to do. And then finally, of course, what you guys are here for, this is the actual screen. And there she is. There's the iPhone screen. I'm kind of terrified to touch this. Am I supposed to wear gloves or something?
No, you're good.
Okay, thank God. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm not in my studio. I'm in Luke Miani's house. Hello? No, he needs a software update or something. We're about to crack open the phone and check out his video, link down below for his extended thoughts. Let's jump into this iPhone 12 Pro. Put on safety glasses with side shields and the cut-resistant gloves.
Are they included?
I don't have any gloves. 100%. I looked through everything because I took this apart multiple times. Apple, why aren't these included? Okay, I almost cut my hand open. I had to get some mitts from my friend. Thank you for being here, by the way. This is great. Attach a protective cover to the broken glass to prevent injury or scattering of glass. That's a dirty screen protector. I feel kind of like a little repair guy, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, while this is sitting here for a second, it says to read the heated display removal fixture, and it shows that we should basically start setting that up, I guess, because it has to heat up. So let's do that while we're waiting. We're just gonna grab this and let's turn this baby on.
What the?
All right, we're just gonna push him over there.
I did not see that there was a screen on the front. I think it's heating up.
Okay, we're good to go. That's setting up. Here we go. Dude, if that machine doesn't shut the up, I swear to God. Gently insert the iPhone in the heated display pocket with the display face up. Okay, we put it in there. Put on the heat-resistant gloves. Oh, so now we have heat-resistant gloves that we're supposed to have, Luke.
Dude, it says the as if they're in there. You know what, dude? Okay, these are the same manuals that Apple has in their stores. That's why.
They didn't make new manuals.
Because the Genius techs have all of this stuff.
See, this is starting to get more and more strange. And it says that we put it in with this side as such. This is actually kind of fun. This is like a little train now. 2 minutes while it heats. E73? What is E73? This feels like a fever dream, right? I'm not, is this real? Are you real right now? Are we fixing an iPhone? It doesn't say what to do if you get E73. I think we should turn it off and on again.
Do you want me to just, okay, I'm gonna kill it.
Let's try to turn it on again.
That's totally different now.
That's a different error code.
11 minutes later.
What did it say in the thing to do if there was an error?
Oh, I got it.
And then that's clicked. Oh, and now it's heating. It's working.
Okay. This looks like what we want to see. That was way too complicated to heat a screen. What, did we take 10 minutes just to do one step? Like, that's a bit much.
Because they literally don't even include any way for you to troubleshoot what those codes mean. If it's... What does that mean? Is it done? Is that the end of 2 minutes?
10 seconds later.
Dude, it's so...
It's
sounds
really-
like a fire alarm.
Okay, wait.
What is going on, Apple?
12 seconds later.
It will beep until the suction cup is lowered. Look, look.
Bro, do we know what this timer's for?
I don't know. Does it not say what the timer is doing?
No, doesn't say.
Now it's on. Okay.
And now you want to create
and now
the
I'm
suction.
creating the suction. All right, so now it's just popping off. Like I can feel that it's heating the phone.
Are we supposed to wait until this to see how that shows like a bigger gap? Are we supposed to wait like 15 minutes before we start doing this? But it didn't say that.
No, it did not say that.
Are we still EO2?
EO2.
So the timer is officially up that we've been wondering. It just says EO2.
You want to start fully over?
Sure.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so we're back. We have spent an hour just trying to get the display off. We've had to restart this, what, twice now?
Yeah.
And Luke finally used a third-party tool.
We used the iFixit tool, and that's what got it to separate from the display.
But Apple's own tool, like we kept trying, it's like not long enough. So just so people know why we're trying to repair this completely cracked iPhone, this is what Apple shows on the repair kit.
So that's not what I was expecting. I think we've delaminated the glass from the display.
Sounds nasty.
It does. This is a very realistic situation that we're in right now. This could easily happen to anyone.
Does it say what we do if that happens?
I'm just like gonna... Look at this.
Wow.
We are inside of the display. No, this is not good. I don't think this repair is going to happen. What you have right here is no more iPhone.
But Apple said I could fix my own iPhone. That's just what I paid for. I paid $200 for the parts and $50 for the tools.
Have you gotten this phone's display replaced before?
Nope.
So it's not like it's an OEM. Oh my god, dude. This tool has separated the display. The glass from the display. I don't have words. Like, obviously this was a really mangled screen, right? So this is sort of simulating a worst case scenario.
Oh. Ooh. Oh.
Dude, this is something else. See, because now I'm like, I mean, obviously this display was already toast. Look, see, this is the gasket.
Yeah.
That we were supposed to be under. Do you see how I'm pulling this off here?
And it just completely
And this
separated.
separated, unbelievable. Also, you should probably do this.
Yeah, now that it's out.
Yeah, now that it's out.
We have survived a series of unfortunate events. The repair continues, as you can see. I mean, this is cute, right? Like, this is what I paid for. This is like my little baby. It's like, hi, Dad. Can you please fix me? So we're going to continue it. It says we should start removing some screws on the inside to facilitate the rest of the repair. So let's do it. Bro, this is hell.
How do you magnetize that?
It doesn't say, it just says to magnetize them. How am I supposed to know how to
does it not? So it comes with magnetizable screwdrivers, but nothing to magnetize them with. Is that what you're saying?
So this is a cowling, right?
Yes.
They said to remove that. Use the black stick. Bro, it just says something about a black stick. I like the black stick, low-key. Use the black stick. I can't believe that's what it's called.
That's
I love
so
the black
funny.
stick. This is honestly my favorite tool. I'd pay $50 just for this. Hold the tabs on the suction cups to release them from the display. Face down. Is this really what they do at an Apple store when you like take in your broken phone screen?
Yes.
I don't think there's really much adhesive.
I think it came off
it
of the
came
display.
off.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It took so long to get the display adhesive off, man. This is not right. By the way, the tool required to do the second longest step isn't included. Had to find this myself. We've officially disassembled. It is time for reassembly. So now I'm putting back on what I just took off.
Yeah.
That was so satisfying. I feel satisfied. And it's time for a new tool, everybody. Woo!
Put applause there.
Position the repair tray with the iPhone in the display press. And 3, 2, 1. We have a timer. What does it mean? Can you get the chicken nuggets, please? Okay.
So that entire tool, which
Was
shipped in a
for-
pellet case, was just to push the display on, which you could have just done with your hand.
Next up, we put the sticky cups back on. What are they called? Suction
Sticky cups!
Remove the left section of the top liner first, then remove sections running along the top.
What I would just do is take the black stick and
This is for all the jailbreaking I did back in the day. This is payback. Where's the black stick? No, it popped out. What?
it did.
The black stick is cursed. Use ESD safe tweezers to position the lower cowling. Oh, I forgot about these babies. I mean, this is like, what have I done, man? What have I done?
So the trick is when you have a magnetized screwdriver,
Yes.
don't line it up on the hole, line it up on the screwdriver.
We are so close. We are so close. I am making progress, and I think we are about to do some final steps. So, thanks for tuning in. It's a great time. I had so much fun on the repair.
Yeah, so those are gonna be little clips inside the phone.
It just said to rest. Guys, we are on the step that says we push it down. I'm pretty sure. It says to push all 4 corners simultaneously until we hear a click.
Emergency inspection, emergency
Oh
inspection.
no, that is on there. That is clean.
You, my friend, have done it. Nicely
Dude,
done.
thank you,
Nicely
bro.
done.
Thank you.
You've done it.
Oh man, this feels crazy. I have been told by the lead repair expert at Luke Miani Labs that we just replaced the screen on the iPhone 12 Pro.
But you're not done yet. You gotta use the little rolly thing.
What? What is this?
You're back to the clamp.
Wait, no, we're going back to this thing. We're going back to the press. Damn, that was kind of a gaslight, I'm not gonna lie, Apple. Press down the lever. Wow, so we're using this, okay, so we use it twice. Here goes nothing.
37 seconds later.
Oh, this is the home stretch.
Oh man, I need a different bit for this, right? We're going in. Bro, I need a celebratory cookie, can you bring me one? Oh, I need this. Oh, I don't even care. I just fixed an iPhone 12 Pro. I think we're done, dude. I think we just repaired my iPhone 12 Pro display. Where's the OG? What do you think for thumbnail, good or bad?
Good.
And that's how you fix an iPhone 12 Pro with Apple's new self-service repair program. Hey Luke, how are you feeling, man?
I'm doing great, and I'm definitely not dead inside and outside.
Dude, let me just say this straight up so it's clear. Don't do this. Don't do this program. It's not a good deal. I think I ended up overpaying what I would have paid at the Genius Bar.
Yeah, by $7.
Was it Dude,
It's
so I did the
$7.
labor myself.
Yeah.
I probably have to get like a second therapist after what I've gone through. I don't know about you.
I'm up to 3 or 4.
You're up to 3 or 4. Okay, yeah, per screw that we missed. And overall, I just feel like this is being painted as something that it's not. I feel like this was painted as anybody can fix their iPhone now.
I don't know. I mean, they did phrase it as, if you are very competent with technology, this is an option. But as someone who has done a lot of repairs, I don't know that this is the best way to go about it, right? Like, you do need to have a certain level of comfort opening up your device.
Here's a question.
Okay.
You're walking on the street tomorrow. You drop your iPhone 13 Pro. The screen breaks. You take it to Apple, or do you do it yourself after this?
I take it to Apple.
The repair guru takes it to Apple.
Because it costs $7 less and I don't have to work on it myself.
Okay, what about the battery?
Same
Slightly
thing.
cheaper. You're still taking... Is there anything you would do
No, the battery
yourself?
is even more expensive.
Wait, really?
Because the battery...
What is the point of
Dude,
this,
the
then?
battery is $45 after you return the broken one, but you rent the tools for $50. So it's like $90 when Apple will do it for $70.
Because they have the tools.
Yeah.
That's so sus, man.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of this journey. And I will catch you in my next video back at home. Bye.
I did a little yawn there at the end because on account of us being tired.
That was so good.